Time flies. I can't believe it's already 2023. I remember ordering the Bamakey in late December 2019 and arriving on my doorstep in January 2020. From Germany to California. For the past 3 years, this has been my main Morse code key, my favorite Iambic paddle. Let me show you this amazing key. This is the Bamakey TP2 with its optional base, which you can purchase separately. The key itself weighs in on my scale at 0.45 pounds or 0.204 kilograms. The base is 0.80 pounds or 0.363 kilograms. Combined, the weight of the key and the base is 1.25 pounds or 0.567 kilograms. The 4 magnets on top of the base attach to the 4 metal screws inside the rubber feet of the key. The key only attaches one way. It can't attach to the base if you turn it around. The return action uses magnets instead of springs. This allows for more precision, and you can get real tight paddle spacing with this key. Adjustments are simple. On each side of the paddle are 2 screws. This is the screw for spacing adjustment, and this is the tension adjustment for the left paddle. You'll find the same adjustments on the other side. This is the spacing adjustment, and this is the tension adjustment for the right paddle. Adjustments are locked by these locking screws on the bottom of the key, which corresponds to the screws on the respective sides. To make precise adjustments, the instruction says not to entirely loosen the locking screws when making the adjustments. It's also important not to over-tighten the locking screws. Once you've dialed in your key, it's basically set it and forget it. But just in case, I've got my included locking tool taped to the bottom of the base so I don't lose it. While I have the base on its back, notice the gel feet. They do a good job keeping the whole unit in place when operating. I'll be using my CW hotline as a keyer to demonstrate the Bamakey. If you're interested in seeing more videos featuring this very versatile device and how I've set it up here, make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. For now, let's play with the key. You can remove it from the base for portable operations. The weight of the Bamakey is solid but not too heavy, which allows me to hold it for extended periods comfortably. Placed on top of the base, the key won't go anywhere. It's pretty stable. The gel feet underneath the base does a pretty good job of keeping the whole thing in place. The paddle action feels precise and accurate. What an amazing piece of craftsmanship in German engineering. And the design is stunning. I like the sleek lines and the modern look of this key. It is visually awesome. One of the best things about an iambic paddle is that you can operate it like a single lever paddle if you prefer. There's absolutely nothing wrong with using an iambic key like a single lever. As long as you sound like a rock star on the other end and your message is easily understood, who cares how your style of sending is? If you're comfortable with iambic and squeeze keying, this paddle is superb. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.